Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready to meet some incredible talents. People who push past boundaries and make the impossible look easy. All right, let's dive in. The ill-fated motorbikes, once a flexible means of transport, are now just delicious prey under the terrible bite of the machine. The metal frames are crushed mercilessly, the plastic is shattered into pieces, and the once powerful engines are now just lifeless piles of scrap metal. Giant excavator, its metal arms stretched out like a mechanical monster, was unleashing devastating blows on the poor car. Metal screeched in pain, glass shattered like hail, and the bodywork was dented and bent under the terrible force. With its powerful steel teeth, this scrap metal crusher does more than simply crush lifeless chunks of metal. It is a symbol of industrial power, crushing bulkiness and turning waste into valuable resources. Is not just a tool, but a real mechanical monster. Imagine scrap steel, rusty iron bars, all trembling as they enter its mouth. Roaring fiercely through the air, the giant claw machine extended its powerful metal arm down. The cold steel claws tightened around the poor bulldozer's massive body. The metal screeched horribly, painfully, as the sturdy steel shell was mercilessly crushed. Scrap metal crusher not only helps you save on transportation and storage costs of scrap metal, but also opens up new business opportunities from selling processed scrap metal. hydraulic machine, with gleaming metal teeth, slowly descended on the innocent car. The metal screeched horribly as the terrible pressure began to apply. The body of the car buckled, the glass shattered like hail. In just a moment, the car was transformed into a twisted mass of scrap metal, witnessing the merciless crushing power of the hydraulics. Awesome. Get ready to witness the incredible destructive power of this ultimate crusher. It is more than just a mechanical device. It is the embodiment of absolute crushing, an unstoppable force ready to devour and reduce everything in its path to countless pieces. Imagine the endless applications of this incredible machine. Build monumental structures from crushed stone, recycle materials that would otherwise be discarded, or create unique mixtures for advanced industries. The power is in your hands. With a deep, resounding sound, the giant non-Nuoc stone crusher is showing off its extraordinary power. Each cold, rough gray stone, under the powerful rotation, collides violently and breaks into countless pieces. Imagine a hungry mechanical monster, its metal teeth grinding relentlessly. It makes no distinction between wood, stone, metal, plastic. Everything becomes easy prey under its destructive power. Imagine the power hidden inside every sturdy part, from the sturdy frame to the powerful crushing system. The stone crusher operates with outstanding performance, ensuring stable productivity and maximum resource savings. Rent the air as the massive crusher devoured the ill-fated gas canister. The rusty paint groaned under the tremendous pressure, then shattered into sharp shards. Scream! The giant crusher roared, steel gears grinding into the metal frame of the poor motorbike. Sparks flew like fireworks as the metal was torn and deformed. The miserable scream of the powerless engine rang out one last time before being crushed into the destruction machine. giant machine, a titan in the stone crushing industry. A large capacity stone crusher is not just a piece of equipment, but the heart of every large-scale mining and construction project. The massive steel frame roared. A hungry mechanical monster appeared. Two giant metal jaws made of tempered steel opened wide like the mouth of a prehistoric crocodile waiting for its unfortunate prey. Scraps of iron, warped metal bars, all trembled as they were sucked into that deathly maw. The once gleaming automobile, a symbol of freedom and speed, now lies prone, a mangled beast of twisted metal. The jaws of the hydraulic claw descended with a deafening screech, its metallic teeth tearing into the car's frame like a predator devouring its prey. The jaws of the hydraulic press descend with inexorable force, a mechanical leviathan awakening to its task. The once proud automobile, a symbol of freedom and speed, now rests in the crushing arena, awaiting its metallic demise. Thank you for watching. I hope these moments will help you relax after a stressful day at work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye, and see you again.